Great movie. Great film. One of Mark Wahlberg's best roles. Boom. 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 You hear what that is? That's knocking. That's Johnny Preston. Knocking on SPCALA's doorstep. Boom. 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 He's pissed off that he was falsely accused. And he's asking for an update. He wants an update. Boom. 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 How's Rupert? How's Rupert? How's Rupert? How's Rupert? How's Rupert? How's Rupert? How's he doing? How's he doing? How's he doing? Can I get a photo? Can I get a photo? Can I get a picture? Can I get a photo? Boom. 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 Great film. Great movie. But I'm just a guy who's concerned about a pit bull. Is he a pit bull? I don't know. Looked like one to me. You see, I don't know. He looked like one. But what concerns me is that SPCALA has a history of sometimes, you have to say sometimes just in case you get lost, of euthanizing behavior issue dogs. And you know those pit bulls, those pit bulls, how they can get sometimes when they have a bad past, or they're found emaciated on the side of the road by Johnny Preston and somebody else, right? Emaciated. They get angry. They feel like they've been neglected. They feel like they've been let down because nobody fed them. And who am I? I'm just a guy who got a phone call after I found out he ended up with somebody else. And that person told me on the phone, they said, Johnny, I just called the vet and I was just checking to see on how Rupert was doing. That's all, just checking to see how he was doing. And I just wanted to know how he was doing. And then they told me, what did they say? What did they say? Well, they said that due to his emaciation and extreme body conditions and his condition that he was in, and he's trying to growl, he's trying to bite the vet, the rescue. And this is just what I heard on the phone, right? I can't guarantee it. The rescue's considering euthanasia. So what do? I go on a video. I'm like, holy shit. And then I find out the rescue's SPCALA. I'm like, oh fuck, alright, let's go. Hey, SPCALA. You touch a hair on that dog's head. You touch that dog. I'm gonna make you pay for it. So what happens? My followers start calling the shelter. Don't euthanize Rupert. Don't do it. 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 No, don't do it. 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 Boom, 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 boom. And then in my opinion, Madeline Bernstein goes, cha-ching! You know those money signs that people put on emojis? She's got something here. In my opinion. All these people calling about this pit bull. Oh, we better take good care of this dog. You know? And then a post comes out magically. Oh, Rupert's fine. Oh, he's being cared for. He's got a lot of people who care about him. Oh, I wonder why. Woo! Yeah! I wonder why that is. I mean, come on, you raise millions of dollars every year. It's probably because you're just so damn good at what you do, isn't it? It's not because Johnny Preston found him first and blew up the story first. I talked to New York Bully Crew, and even I remember that dog. You put that dog on a video. I remember that dog. Yeah, I remember that dog. You did all that. Cha-ching, motherfuckers. Madeline Bernstein goes, God, we're going to make sure we take care of these dogs. In my opinion. Woohoo! That's just my opinion. If anyone out there is trying to raise money on Rupert's behalf, don't donate. It's not us. Bitch, read my post. I wasn't asking for contributions. I found them first, and I didn't deserve that. I deserved a thank you for getting your dog that I found first exposure. But let's not go there. Let's not go there. This is about where is he now? And is he okay? Just like me, right? Am I okay? Do I need to be put in a psych ward? Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Huh? Am I crazy? Do I need to be put in an institution? Huh? Because I'm not. I'm here. I'm free. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Maybe I'm just a guy who's pissed off that was falsely accused. And I just want an update, like all these other rescue women. I just want an update. Can I get an update? I feel like I gotta do something to get your attention, SPCALA. Can I get an update, man? Damn it. You fine establishment, you.